Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our partners, esteemed partners, friends, friends of media, and also colleagues from Touch N Go and Touch N Go Group. Very good morning to you all. As you can see, we have launched our GOprotect Hub. It used to be called insurance, but we like to go, no pun intended. Therefore, we have rebranded it GOprotect. But why are we doing that is what I'm trying to talk to you about today. Spare me some time. I will not go through, it's not a sales pitch, right? But I do want to say, hopefully what I can cover gives you a glimpse of what we're trying to do in Touch N Go Digital. Let me start with the end in mind, if you will, right? If you look at this slide, this is where we are right now as Touch N Go Digital. We have, number one, products that can let you invest, which we call Go Invest. Pay, which is our latest Visa card, which is super hot topic. We have lending as well. You can actually borrow money from there. We have Save, which is our Go Plus product. And we have Protect. And under Protect, as you can see previously, we have already 6 products up for the market to purchase, and many more to come. But why is this important? And why am I talking about this? Because this is where we want to go, and this is where Touch N Go Digital, through financial services, we will want to head towards a space where hopefully we can redefine banking solutions, right? And Alan alluded to this. Banking solution includes banking solutions, insurance products, investment products, remittance products, and so on and so forth, right? On the right-hand side, my right hand, your left-hand side, this is where we are today, and this is where we are very strong, right? 19 million users strong. Number one wallet we claim in the market right now. This is where we are very good at, right? But on the left-hand side, left hand to me and right hand to you, is where we really want to go out and tell the market right now. Look at what we have and how is it different from a normal banking. And to Alan's point earlier, make no doubt about it, we don't originate products. Okay? We work with product manufacturers. And the sole reason is simple, because we want to make sure it's accessible to everyone, convenient to access to, democratized as much as possible, right? And you can do it, everything just within the app. Most, if not all, actually all our financial services product, it starts and ends in the app, right? So this morning, of course, we are here to commemorate GOprotect, insurance as we used to call it. And what are we trying to do, as I mentioned just now, is really to come out a space where we help partners, we aggregate for partners, come up with financial solutions that we can bring to the rakyat, right? As I mentioned, banks, insurance partners, asset management, many people that we work with. Everyone is friend. So this is where, this morning, we talk about GOprotect by itself. It's an insurance hub. It's not an emporium, if you will. Why? Because everything that you do under GOprotect, you can start and stop and end and get protected within the app. Of course, I cannot go on without thanking all our partners here. We were joking with some people outside. Feels like we are hosting a PM meeting this morning. Right? It's very nice to see all our partners shaking hands with each other, macam old friends and all. But I think this is where what Alan mentioned earlier is what we aspire to be. Right? We aspire to complement. We aspire to win together with all our partners. Because at the end of the day, what we put as our number one focus is that the benefactor of all this will and should be the users, right? So thank you very much to our esteemed partners for attending this morning again. Our heartfelt thanks. Thank you for bearing with us. Whatever that's not good, go and talk to Joanne. Whatever is good, come and thank me, right? So again, I want to thank everyone in advance because there's many more exciting partnerships that we're going to do, and we will want to do. Okay. So, some people may ask, right, why do I want to come to GOprotect Hub? What is so special about it, right? Why can't I just go to the insurance company and buy it, or go to aggregators and buy it? If you take a look at it, technically, I was doing a survey. Touch N Go eWallet via GOprotect is probably the only place where you can buy 6 different insurance from many different companies all at once. All the policies is aggregated into one. And we have tested every single one of our products. Everything finishes in 3 minutes. Of course, we are also a financial institution to some extent. Terms and conditions apply. If your connection is not good, then it will probably take more than 3 minutes. But if it's not, end to end, it will take 3 minutes, right? Secondly, of course,
This is where we play a role of aggregator. We bring more value to the users, and the users can choose between partners, as you will see in my next slide. And as I mentioned, all the policy is all housed into My Policy Hub. In one glance, you will see what kind of critical illness you are being covered, when is your car insurance due, if you have a motorbike, due, and so on and so forth. Let me bring you to actual case of car insurance, for example. This is the journey of how a user buys a car insurance. Of course, we didn't go through all the data here. The user will actually get a quote within a few seconds from all the insurance company that can give a quote to the customer. Customer can choose. We are not biased to anyone. They can choose whatever. They can choose the optional features, or if they want to add on. We have an additional feature that we do for our customer where they can actually get road tax through us delivered to them as well. You don't have to go and buy it from one side and then go and get road tax again, right? And add on whatever feature you want. Windscreen, earlier on you have additional drivers and so on and so forth. Fill in your personal details. And we blanked it out, but this is where you see the entire thing before you finish, right? Once you're happy with it, click done and pay via the eWallet. There you go, right? The whole video is 52 seconds. Okay, of course, lag here and there. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. That's how fast you can get a car insurance. But one thing different is also the fact that the payment is finished here, right? Most of the time, if you go to a website, you probably still need to pull up your credit card, key in CVV number, and so on and so forth, wait for the OTP and all, right? This is done through the eWallet and it's done. Don't have to take another credit card, for example, right? So that's how we do it. So, two more other things of why. With our partners, we have all set up a 24/7 call center to make claims and so on and so forth. And to Alan's earlier point, actually, now we have more than 2 million. The first year when we launched is 1.5 million or so. Now it's 2 million and counting. And our renewal rates for a lot of our products are very good, right? 60-70% sometimes, right? So this is a trust that over 2 million people have put on us. The partners trust together with us, working together on this. And just a quick background, we started the insurance business in 2021. Our first product was actually a simple car insurance with 2 partners. Now I think we have 7, if I'm not mistaken, right? And going to be more. This was a product that Alan was talking about, which is the wallet safe product, right? We came out and say we will protect the wallet from all unauthorized transaction, from COVID, some PA inside for RM1 for 6 months, right? This is the product that literally flew through the roof. April 2022 and October 2022, we launched another 2 products. Safe Trip, which is a travel insurance. Safe Home, which I'll talk a little bit more in a while, is a home insurance, fire insurance, right? This year itself, is only April, we have launched 2 more products. One is the critical illness product, and 2, with some of our partners here, a motor insurance product, right? So we are launching products in light speed, right? 6 products in the last 2 years or so, and many more to come. But I want to make sure that we understand this. We don't just do product for the sake of doing product. We want to, and we will try to do the most bespoke product that's applicable to our users, our user base. I don't think there's a time where we'll go and talk about buying a 5,000 ringgit premium per month kind of product through us. No, I think that is a complementary to what the agents are for. We want to do bite-size, finish on app, that's it, right? Easy. We don't aspire to be there. That's not where we want to play, to be very honest, right? And I don't think that's necessary. Right? I mean, ask yourself, would you buy a 1 million ringgit life insurance through an app? Maybe 5, 6, 7 years time, but maybe not now. So that's where we want to play. So what else do we do? From just taking the product, we add benefits to it, right? For example, car insurance, there's a PA added to it. Motor and car, we give the service of road tax straight away. You don't have to buy from one side and get road tax from another place, right? You can do everything through the app. Innovation, Alan mentioned about this. We kind of, together our partner, we democratize a simple product called home insurance, right? We realized, hey, maybe there's something that we can do here. And together with a partner, we came out and said, hey, maybe there's certain things we don't have to insure, right? For example, cyclone, earthquake, probably don't happen here as often or never, right? Any way we can make it cheaper for the user, for example, right? This itself is something that is very innovative to the user, because more often than not many people can customize home insurance in that way. Okay. Additional support from a safe home perspective, if you are waiting for your claim, there's actually cash relief given out to the claimant. Medical coverage, you can actually cancellation note that we can help you with. And if you don't get the cancellation successful, for any reason at all, we will actually refund, right? So no skin off the user's back. CI insurance, for example, right? We cover top 5, not all 31, but top 5 illnesses. We also give a lifestyle assistance of up to 5,000 ringgit, right? And medical case management. So all these are added to the existing product to make it more beneficial to the users. Affordability, we mentioned this and we mentioned this and we will keep mentioning this because this is where we really want to bring the difference, right? Bite-sized, affordable products to the user. You want to go to, I don't know, overseas, 10 ringgit a day to cover yourself. You want to go to Langkawi, 3 ringgit a day, for example, right? Wallet Safe is something that we are selling, and hopefully in a few months' time we'll do some enhance of it, right, to make it even better, right? But rest assured, all within a bite-sized premium. This is an example of how someone is sitting nowadays. Air travel is open, right? You are sitting at the airport lounge. You're going to travel somewhere either for work or holiday. Suddenly you realize, hey, I haven't bought my insurance yet, right? My travel insurance. Whip out the phone, go through whatever you need from our Safe Trip. Select when you want to go. That day itself, you can buy it, right? Cover up to the day you come back. Either you are going to a domestic area or a foreign destination. I think this person likes to go to Thailand apparently. Yeah, correct. Not sure why. Right. So at the spot, get yourself insured while you're sitting at the lounge. Again, don't have to whip up your credit card again to buy. Don't have to key in your expiry date. No CVV needed. Wallet, money taken. Right? And that's it. You're covered. That's it. You're covered. Okay. Right? That's done. Right? And the policy will be sent to you. All within sitting down in the lounge before you take off even. Okay? So this is where we try to differentiate, and this is where we want to really go into a place where the users can just do all this within the phone, right? Without having to go to any other sites to check. So this is my last slide, I promise you, right? Of course, end with a happy note. To our friends here, I think Touch N Go Group employees don't get this, right? So friends and even friends of media and other insurance company, this is a promo that we're having right now. We will give 6 lucky winners every single day 100% cashback of the premium. Alan is looking at me shocked, yeah, approve this. Right? 6 lucky winners, you get it. If you insure a car, your insurance policy is 3,000 ringgit, we will rebate free 3,000 ringgit for you if you are the lucky one. Okay? This is not guaranteed like the Duit Raya just now. This is based on a draw. Alright, that's all I have. Thank you very much for listening. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much, Desmond, and to our guests for their kind